The weeks leading up to Christmas are upon us, and I am definitely in the Christmas mood, but I am taking it slower, enjoying the life I have with my family at home, being involved in just joining in their activities and fun as a family, but also some outside activities as well with the community, but also sharing gifts too, and another little bit of a thrift haul for you for some last minute gift ideas. Sitting by the Christmas tree and opening up God's Word is such a great way for me to start my morning, sipping my first cup of coffee and just admiring the glow of lights as I pray and delve into what God has to say. And then we are doing our Advent book and calendar that we have done now for 3 years in a row, and just such wonderful stories and people to help direct our children in the way of Advent. Jesus is the Christmas story. Without Jesus, we would all be in big trouble. We all need a Savior to rescue us from sin. As the angel said, Jesus' arrival is good news of great joy that will be for all the people. Gently. Good job. Okay, Mom's gonna help because it's gonna be kind of tricky. What? Oh, bud. Just leave him. No, you can't just eat all those. Okay, dump those in. No, we're not eating those. Good job.
Wow.
Really napped. That's a pretty good bear. Let's take a little dough. I'm just going to do it here. Can you mix it back in? Don't wipe it on your shirt. All the way till you feel it hit the table. Okay, then show the. There. Okay.
Uh-oh.
Put it on the pan.
This fell. I got to eat this.
Some time had been spent inside as the snow was beautifully falling outside, but very crisp and cold. And I'm just enjoying the beauty of it and the time with my kids doing cookies and letting them help, even if it takes a little extra work, and enjoying my little baby boy as well by the tree. So as the snow continues to fall outside and my little boy is resting here and it's quiet time for this almost winter day, I thought I would quickly share with you a charity rummage haul I had for some last minute gift ideas. So I have shared my DIY Christmas gifts and my Thriftmas, but here's just a few things I picked up literally last minute. So when I picked them up, it was probably 2.5 weeks before Christmas, but ways that I can use these to incorporate with some of the other gifts that I will be sharing. First off, a Christmas mug. This is always a great gift to fill with a homemade hot chocolate or a store-bought mix and a tea in there, or something simple like a gift card and a hot chocolate packet, or a gift card and some teas if they're not a hot chocolate drinker, or a mini bag of coffee or something like that. But a mug, the charity rummage is fill a bag for $5, so everything here was $5 total. So a Merry Christmas mug with something in it, of course, would be a sweet gift. A couple ornaments are always fun to add to a Christmas gift or even a Christmas bag. So I filled my Christmas goodie boxes up. I still have a few left. As you saw, I was doing some more baking this morning. And so a little cookie cutout or snowflake cutout ornament, and then one for my niece because she's a trumpet player will be a good addition to a gift bag. So a few affordable things to add that are a fun touch as well, and that it might be kind of meaningful since she is a 13-year-old girl who started playing trumpet. Some clothing pieces. So we do nieces and nephews exchange on my side of the family since there are 13 of them, and so for some of the nieces the kids helped me pick some of this stuff out just to find a fun little fleece or flannel nightgown for one of them. I thought that would be really fun to throw that in with the rest of their gift. And then a few clothing pieces for a little niece, like a dress. These were in such good quality. Sometimes the clothing at this charity rummage are hit and miss, but this was really nice dress. So a little dress here, a little ruffle sleeve shirt, and then a really cute little sweatshirt. So some fun girl clothes to find. And now that I have two little boys and my girls are getting older, it's kind of fun to pick out little girl clothes as well. For the kids in my gift exchanges that we might have, or some more friends, I shared this in my Thriftmas finding used books. This book is so funny and really kind of fun. So we found this at the charity rummage. One of the boys that we give to for another family, they like Star Wars, so I thought that would be a fun puzzle to throw in there. And then another puzzle for a family with some medium middle-aged kids, I guess you should say. So this would probably be a quick put together, but really fun little puzzle to throw in there as well. Then this book. So it's a big book of Christmas, Family Circle. Growing up, my mom used to get the Better Homes and Gardens and the Family Circle and the Women's Day magazine, and that was one of my favorite things when she got a new one, was just to sit and peruse those and get inspiration. I used to watch Martha Stewart growing up too, and I remember one holiday time I decorated with like DIY orange garland, things like that Martha Stewart would have done. So this is kind of a fun inspiration book, maybe just for me to look through first. And then I have a friend who lives a long ways away, but this would be affordable to ship with a Christmas card or a gift card. And she loves the vintage nostalgic stuff too. So there's just some fun party foods, some DIYs, and I thought, what better little gift than for her to look through and send it now so she can maybe have some ideas if she's hosting for Christmas season. So this was just kind of something fun. Like, isn't that tree beautiful? Something more vintage, not quite how I have my tree, but just some fun inspiration for the holidays, I guess you would say, and to gift as well. So, not a whole lot I picked up. I did pick a few things up for my kids that they actually needed right now. And then actually some cookie cutters. So we used some of the new cookie cutter shapes we did to make some more of our Christmas cookies. But just a few more ideas to throw in. I picked up a stocking actually and used that to fill. It'd be great to pick up those little stockings and put gift cards in those. That way you can just hand those out to friends or family. Or honestly, sometimes it's fun to just have extra gift cards on hand for that person that God lays on your heart to gift to, because they may be in need this season. And that actually just happened to me today, and it was just such a blessing. I'm getting emotional about it. Such a blessing to share that with this gal who needed just a little extra, and hopefully that will bless her to help buy Christmas gifts or something that she needs. So I will get back to just enjoying this quiet rest time and nap time and spend a little time with my baby boy, and just going to be doing some Christmas things and getting supper prepped as well. Another cookie basket needed to be made along with some other thrifted gifts that I had. And actually you're seeing it put into a pink container. This family had made a meal for me when I had our little baby boy 4 months ago. So I am actually just regifting this little plastic container for them with Christmas goodies, plus some other fun things for them. This gal liked some of the blue ironstone or Career and Ives things, and so I added that there, some apple butter you'll see, and then a book and a gift card to just share with this family. Meal plan for this evening is chili and cornbread. Cornbread was not something I grew up with having with chili. We always just had chili and Fritos, sour cream, and shredded cheese. That was what we had. But I've kind of gotten into the habit of making cornbread because, I don't know, I really like it and enjoy it, and our family really likes it. So that's what we do. I know some people do chili and cinnamon rolls. Like when I went to school, that was always served. But I think the chili and cornbread just go really well together. I'll link the recipe down below for the cornbread. The chili, however, is one that I just really make up with what I have. So with the chili, I actually was using some frozen tomatoes and then just took the skins off as they simmered so that I had some fresh tomatoes in there from the garden that I had froze this summer. Kayla, you have to hold the cookie with one hand. So as you can see, we took a little break to frost the cookies that the kids had made that morning, and then they got to enjoy one for a snack. And the chili, like I was talking about, just throwing in some things I had frozen from garden produce and a couple cans of dark red kidney beans, and it's just so delicious. Throw some chili powder, some cumin, some paprika, throw in some salsa if you wanted, just to make it lovely and spicy. Making my afternoon latte with some raw milk and some delicious eggnog before we go outside to enjoy the beautiful snow. Said it's almost cleared. Yep. There's always laundry to be had, and yes, I know you've seen me fold laundry 100 times, but it's something I like to do sometimes before my husband even gets home from work. So the older kids are out playing in the living area or their room, and I'm just kind of listening and just talking to my little boy and folding laundry and enjoying that task. Needed to have the glow of the candles to enjoy for our evening meal. Even with the overhead lights on, it's still fun to have that ambiance of the candles. And then dishing up the chili and the cornbread for the family. And I don't know about you guys, but I think it used to be that adults were served first and kids last. When has it gotten to be that we served kids first? I always serve my kids first, and maybe it's just so that the meal cools sooner. I don't know, but we were having that conversation. But anyways, the delicious meal was enjoyed. One dry evening in the depths of November, a stranger rode into town. He stopped his horse, but the man looked at it, smiled, and said, "It will do."
No, candy.
Candy. Won't get to that part.
No.
All through the short gray days and the long dark Christmas book reading. This is actually one of my favorite time of year for reading books because there's so many wonderful Christmas books out there. And this one I found at our library. It's The Legend of the Candy Cane, And it's just a beautiful story of what the candy cane represents with Jesus's birth. And it's just a really beautiful story, and pictures are wonderful and just set in the olden times. And I just love this story, but it's so fun to sit and read with the kids, and they really enjoy it too. So enjoying those Christmas books before the season is over.
Okay, let's see. I did a bunch on this side.
We need this one, Angel.
This is, look, I found my area already.
Oh, try doing the edges of the next one.
What are you going to do?
We're going to thank you to the mailman. I usually do for Christmas.
Why?
Just so that they know that they're appreciated. Glittery.
Oh, there's a bunch. I thought there was only one. Ready to thank you for the salmon?
Yeah.
When are you going to give it to us? Oh, just put it in
The mailbox. The nativity puzzle was a fun activity to do with all the kids, and it was a day when they got to enjoy some decaf lattes, iced or warm, and so that was fun. And then I am, as you heard, writing some Christmas cards or thank yous to the delivery men. I think it's important, or delivery person, it's important for them to know that they are appreciated, and Christmas time is a great time to do that. I usually like to give them a card, some homemade goodies, and either a gift card or something else just to know that they are appreciated. And ours is easy, just pop it in the mailbox, or the UPS man, you just catch them on their way out. But also gifting our Sunday school teacher, Christmas program directors. I just enjoy gifting, so I like to use things I found thrifted, my DIYs, and just make something beautiful to share with the people who do a lot for our family or maybe don't feel appreciated, and just to let them know that we do appreciate them. And there's that thrifted ornament and some of my other thrifted items from previous videos, my DIY gifts. You're seeing it all here, friends, put together. So just making some beautiful gifts. So a cute little sleigh ready to be gifted.
Look at Santa.
And the reindeer and gingerbread.
That's pretty cool.
Where's
Really
Santa?
bright.
We are ending this video with some time looking at some Christmas lights as a family. So I hope you enjoyed the weeks before Christmas with us, and just that it can be purposeful and enjoyable and not just always go, go, go. So enjoy your Christmas season.